Hello everybody, today I want to present you the new project of houses next to Panajachel, close to Panajachel. A cute little house with a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom. It's in the mountains, surrounded by nature. They will all have their little garden, and so let's go and visit it. Hello everybody, I'm Armand Boissy, your real estate agent in Lake Atitlan, Guatemala. So that's the two houses next to each other. They are built with the concrete slab to hold the second floor. And look at up there, it's all surrounded by nature. This is the third house. The first house has a bigger garden. It's a cute little project. It is of a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom shared, and a big open living room. It's very nice with some very nice details, and it's very affordable. So here in front we have what will be the garden, this area. This is a porch, barbecue in the corner. The house has next to each other, but it's one at its own wall. Here we have the kitchen, table, dining, a big living room with great views to the forest and the mountain. It's a solid construction, concrete slab, and 2 bedrooms in the back with their own view. So in the back you would have a garden. All this area to the fence will be the garden. Second bedroom with also a breeze. So it's a cute little house located close to Panajachel. It's only 7-minute drive from Panajachel, so it's easy to get in and out. What I like in the project is the attention to details, so you can see these corner windows will be wrapped up with the flagstone, and there's also some wooden portraying out of the wall, which is making a very interesting style, modern. 60 meters of construction with land around it, so you can park your car and you have a little garden. It's a concrete slab, it's solid. It's also a very interesting format because it will be 4 houses at the beginning with security 24 hours and take care of the area, and you will have maybe 2 or 3 more houses, one from the owner. It's right now they're offering $90,000, and you can put 30% down payment and then get it financing, which is a very good opportunity. It's not very easy to get financing in the lake area, and it's, if you use it for investment, it will be also a place where you could rent easily because it's in a private area surrounded by nature but close to Panajachel. So it's an interesting option right now in the Panajachel. Remember to click on the channel, click on the bell to be updated on the last videos, share it with people who might be interested, and comment also as well. Thank you very much.